First time na may...
First time kumakain ko yun.
First time restaurant.
Check out everybody in the stands. Give yourselves a round of applause.
First time.
Holding it down in the rain.
Oh my God, first time.
Don't go there, baby.
First time na nabasa kami ng ulan and my prayers here. Sa baba ng ano. First time talaga na may ulan. Yung mga tao nakatungan. Basta, si Bibi natuwa. Ata na ba sila? Ay, okay. Nandun na sila. Bumaba na sila. Wala na itong ano, wala nang upuan to. Basa na ang ano. Alam sa atin. Kasi dito, ang ulan dito fake, pero ito dahil winter na ngayon, totoo na ito na ulan. Pero kung kailang.
الرسمية لنهائيات بطولة العالم لكرة السلة 3-3 أبو ظبي 2022.
Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, please stand for the national anthem.
أصحاب السعادة، ضيوفنا الكرام، أيها السيدات والسادة، نقدم لكم النشيد الوطني لدولة الإمارات العربية المتحدة.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the Etihad Arena Abu Dhabi final, please welcome the top 12 teams of 2022 regular season.
دعونا نرحب بأفضل 12 فريق في موسم فيفا 2022.
From the Netherlands,
من هولندا
Team Amsterdam iPro. Alvin Slaughter, Gino Waterhoff, Julian Gary, Maxim Kovacevic. Coming from Belgium,
من بلجيكا
Team Antwerp. Van der Laar, Danny Zanko, Nick Stellis, Timo Bergholt. From Switzerland, Coming from Latvia,
Latvia!
Team Ria! Etihad Arena.
And number one, Stefanos Stojacic. Make some also the Jetta Final 2021 winners. As for Team Vienna, they are the winners of the Paris Masters 2022 and finalists in the Hong Kong Masters 2022.
Babae, yung kanilang yung kanilang
It's about to go down, y'all.
ang kanilang referee babae.
Now, we're going to do this countdown, but once again, it's not 3, 2, 1. It's 3x3, all right? Y'all ready, Abu Dhabi? Y'all still here? You still here? Let me hear you say yeah. You still here? Let me hear you say yeah. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, X3. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, y'all. Straight into the lane.
Yes! Yes, yes, yes! Make my day, make my day. Make my day.
Second game of Team Lima, first game Team Vienna. In the competition on the day one of the competition, Abu Dhabi final.
Make my day. Make my day.
Shot clock violation.